Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to talk about how to edit your Shopify footer in 2023. A well-designed footer can add value to your online store and it can help your customer easily navigate your website. Shopify is a great platform as we all know, and it offers you a lot of customization options, and today we will be showing you how to make the most out of your footer by editing it in a few simple steps. So to see your online store, you can see over here online store. Click on this eye icon and it will open up your Shopify store, obviously over here. And if you scroll down on the bottom, you can see these are the footer. So your Shopify footer is an important element for your online store as it contains essential information like such as your contact details, social media links, and legal information. By customizing your footer, you can make sure your store look more professional and trustworthy. In this video, we will guide you through the process of editing your Shopify footer using the latest tools and features available in 2023. So now you need to go back to your home page and click on online store, not on I, click on online store, and it will appear like these options: navigation, preferences, pages, and blog posts. Whatever you have blog posts related to your brand or products, you can just add that over here, and your pages, navigation, preferences will be over here related to your product or brand. So just click on themes and you will find that this is the current theme which you are using right now. So this is the website, right? And this is where you can just easily edit that. Click on customize over here, as you can see over here. Click on that and it will appear with a new window, and it will show you how you can edit these all features over here and all the website features. So if you scroll down over here, you can see your footer, but if you have already made up and you want to edit your footer, just click on this footer icon over here, as you can see, and it will appear on footer. Sometimes it closes, so just remember that you can just open that from over here, sections, and it will appear over here. So you can see we have three options over here, and the last one is obviously subscribe to our emails. You can just go ahead and do that. So as you can see on the right side, we have footer background. You can select the footer backgrounds from over here. As you can see, it is changing right now. So there are some few options over here which you can choose: background 1, background 2, ascent 1, ascent 2, and inverse. So I'm going with the background you know background 2, maybe. Yeah, 2 might look good for me. And you have your heading, subscribe to our emails, which is this one. You can just easily edit that from over here if you want. Follow on shop, display the follow button for your store on the shop application. If you want to do that, just click on this and it will appear on Shopify shop application. But right now just leave it as it is, and if you scroll down, you can just show your show payment icons if you want. You can also do that, and you have your policy links and every single details over here. But right now I'm going to edit this because this is all we wanted, right? So the first thing, this menu, we are going to say that this is our, like, obviously this is going to be your store name. So I'm going to write this, like, to remember, like, whatever you are going to do. And under that you can just easily write, let me go back again. Under that you can just select this and you can change the menu if you want over here, or you can just go ahead and click on add blocks. So once you click on add blocks, you can see we have our text option over here. So what we can do, we can just click on this and delete this and add block text again, and this is our text over here. And I'm going to move this, so you can just move from over here, move to previous position. If you click on this, it will come up over here. If you move again, it will come up over here. So every session have different options over here. So this is text, as you can see over here. If you click on this, this is menu, this is also text, and this one is on our footer, obviously. So this is the heading. So I'm going to change this name and I'm going to write your store name. Obviously your store name would be appear over here, and add information about your store under that below. So if you have any, like, as you can see over here, I just added this email, this product from any drop shipping. So you can just add details related to your brand, obviously. So you can just easily relate it to your brand. Info will be added over here, and you can just do that over here, because people, once you end up over here, you can just see that how what brand it is, and what is like just one liner would be appear over here can relate to your brand. So next thing we can do, like we can add menu. So as you can see, this is a menu, but if I click on this on heading and I'm going to write menu over here, and I'm going to change this menu to main menu. So what it does, if you click on this, you can see my whole menu will appear on the bottom. Just say someone is scrolling and scrolling, and he doesn't need to go up again and click on catalog and contact. They can easily reach from over here. They can easily click on from the footer. So I guess this is one of the best way and very aesthetically way to connect with your customers, and obviously it's very reliable. I'm going to add one more menu from over here, as you can see. So if I delete this, and you can see over here menu which we have already made, you can add more menus if you want. And I'm going to write over here is helpful. So if someone need a help related to anything, they can reach from over here. But if I go into change menu, you can see that we have our helpful over here. I just created this, and if you click on create menu, it will take you right over here, and you can see I added this search menu, and you can add more menus from over here, and you can name that obviously, and you can just you can see over here news, and I'm gonna add news over here and save menu. Just remember that to save menu. And if you go back over here, you can see that we have our search menu over here right now. But if I go back to click on this again, or maybe just refresh this page, you will see that our news option will appear over here right down below. Our search option is also here, but news option will also appear right down below. Right now it's not refresh, obviously, that's why it's showing. And there you go, we have our news option over here. So you can do multiple editing over here, and you can see now it's looking way better than before and very aesthetically fine, because some people, most of the time, customer look your footer and they can get much information from your footer. So footer should be better in my opinion. And what you can do, the next thing is, if you click on footer, you will see that obviously we have so many options on the right side, and you can just like check the spacing if you want. If you think that spacing is not good, you can see over here the spacing has been changed. You have your paddings over here, you have your theme settings over here. So what are the theme settings? If you like, you can see over here we have our theme settings: Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Obviously I'm just going to copy this just to show you how it looks like. If you paste anything related to your products or brand from your like different links out there, if you paste that, and you will see that your icon will appear automatically over here. You can even use images if you want. So you have so many options will appear over here. Obviously this is an example, I just copy this and paste it over here, and there you have it. And when you save this from over here, you can see that once you save that and open your online store again, you will see that everything would be changed over here. Obviously this is like very normal over here, and you can just do more editing over here. So there you have it. That's how you can edit your Shopify footer in 2023 with the help of our step-by-step guide. Now you can create footer that perfectly fits your brand and adds value to your customers. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks on e-commerce and online business. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.